Good day, friends. If you are looking in the background, you will notice that I've been playing in Tinkercad, and I had an idea for a little fidget or a toy that would be kind of fun to play with that might also have people asking some questions about how you designed it. So my friends, let's get cracking. So first things first, we are in Tinkercad, and I'm going to duplicate this little dude, set him to the side, and let me ungroup him so you can see what he's made of. If I take his outer skin and hide it, you can see that is a tube. So it's easier for you to see the tube. I'm going to, instead of making it a hole, I'm going to make it a solid for a second. So I made a gray tube that is a little bit larger than an airsoft pellet. And then I put these spheres around that are a little smaller than an airsoft pellet, so that when I group it all together, we get this awesome design over here that has a track for an airsoft pellet to run through. So when it is finished printing, the goal was for it to have that cool track that the pellets can go up and down, yet there won't be a hole to get the pellets in. So the whole idea was that as it was printing, I would drop the little airsoft BBs in, kind of like the ship in a bottle where you have to ask how the ship got in there, but I would have airsoft BBs inside here. The trick for me was I built this little pillar over here off to the right so that the print head would have to move over. Now I'm going to be honest with you, my first design didn't have that. I actually forgot the print head would be in the way and thought I was going to be able to just make that work. But once I added this in, I was able to make it do what it was supposed to. So there were other trials and errors too. This was one where the entire way up I had the design of the tube sticking out, but there was way too much stringing because that was hanging down below, but still kind of a neat idea. So alright, here is the final one. When I flip this over, they run down the channel. You can see there's a blue one and a green one in there. I could have stuck in more. You do have to time it right. I'm not going to lie to you. I have had several times where I started printing this, got busy with something else, and I missed it. Alrighty, friends, so I will put the link on Thingiverse. You'll, of course, have to get your own airsoft BBs. I do think it's pretty cool, and I had a lot of fun learning as I designed it. If I zoom out real quick and I do show all, you will see that this was version 6 before I finally came up with one that worked the way that I wanted. And the other super cool thing about this, the entire time I had used the send to command, and I had generated a link, and Chris over in Germany was actually working with me together as we solved the way to make this actually turn out the way that it did. Alrighty, friends, so I hope you enjoyed the video and maybe it gives you ideas of what kind of cool things you can create as well. Friends, if you did enjoy the video, make sure you give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.